No more low quality old blurry videos as well as anime. Finally, Topaz 8K video quality on mobile. Enhance low quality videos to 8K in app, not web. Hey guys, I'm Hamza from Android Ultra. Hope you're doing great and fantastic as always. New to my channel. Subscribe for more videos just like this one. Click on the Topaz from the home screen, scroll up, upload video. This will take some time and then show you this type of interface after selection of video. So you can change the output format by click on the gear icon or the configuration, aspect ratio and the frames per second. And underneath we have resolutions original 1080p 2K 4K as well as 8K on mobile. This is incredible. Before it, Topaz enhancement not possible in the app. In AI model, Proteus, NYX, Iris, Artemis, and Gaia. Proteus is all-purpose general enhancement model for all type of videos. Iris for the portrait videos. Artemis for noise, low-quality videos or the high-quality videos with the noise artifacts. And the NYX for extremely noisy videos. Gaia, the anime or the animation type of videos. In my experience, Artemis works really best in comparison to Proteus. Choose the model, click on generate. This will show you the two options. You can go with the balanced one. In my opinion, if you are in hurry or the urgent project, then go with the fast option. We have new features in the tools: video editor, video compressor, video converter, flicker mover, video smooth. Topaz slightly expensive, 1 or 2 tokens or credits in comparison to Tova AI, because Topaz is better and the industry leader. We have two options here for the download option 1 and 2. Option 1 works in the background. Option 2, you have to open the app all the time. Once video downloaded, you can see the companion by slider. In video, I choose the Proteus enhance the video. Later, I use the Artemis as well. That's why I compared with the original video. Later, I will also show you with the Proteus. Overall, Topaz is Topaz in terms of enhancement quality. No one is even close. Much better, sharp, detailed, but not makes it over clear or try to make it over sharpen, just like some video enhancer apps too, like Wing or Airvid. Subscribe for more videos just like this one. Check out my video enhancer playlist. 90 plus videos available. Which one model is the best, Artemis or the Proteus? Let me know in the comments. I hope to see the manual settings as well in the future.